I'm going to go hiking, and this is by far not all the gear that I'm going to take with me, but that's round about my half of the gear. The other half is going to be carried by Viking and perhaps some other persons, but I don't think so. So we are now at the start of our hiking trip, and right now the weather's still quite okay, but who knows, perhaps that might change. It doesn't look that good yet. No, but you can place your kitchens here, and we can sit there later. Let's go to the kitchens. Number 2. Yes, det kommer där.
What is your meal today?
What are you doing?
They just burned down the place.
Hello.
Can you please tell us about your meal today, Per?
What?
Your meal today.
My meal today was a homemade pasta salad with tuna and olives.
Was it good?
It was delicious. This is the last pieces.
Are you excited?
I'm excited because now I'm going to have a nice bun and coffee.
Oh, Swedish fika!
So, the second one is finished, and now it's time for me to eat, and right now one other person, one of the girls, is running around with my awesome pocket and asking some people what they're eating. We'll see what she does with it.
Was that your food? Yes. How was it? Very good. Yeah. Are you excited? Yeah. Hello, Anders.
Hello.
Say hi to the camera. What are you eating today? What did you eat?
It was a pie, tomato and mozzarella,
Oh, good stuff.
and a sandwich, but the dog stole the half of it.
Oh no.
And some coffee.
Are you excited for today?
Yes.
Let's go to someone else. Hello? How are you doing? I got the camera. Say hi to the camera. What did you eat today?
I ate a pasta salad there, but I did too much. I'm going to fara.
How is it? How was it? Are you excited?
I am very excited.
Hello, Luca.
Hello, how are you?
Hi. Take us on the trip with your sandwich. What is in there?
So I'm going to take in my trip to the sandwich. My sandwich contains chicken, mayo, then it contains paprika.
Oh, is it good?
Yeah, of course it's good. I made that.
He has 4 of them.
Did I leave my pose there?
We are going to tell together, me and her. I don't know if I'm holding it right, but he needs to fix it later. Oh, here comes the camera owner. This is our media producer here.
I'm the host of today's show.
Yeah, how are you doing?
I wanted to check how it's going with the camera and then go back to make my food.
Yeah, it was going amazing. I love this camera. Get it to me as a birthday gift.
Yeah, I think I have everything. Come, let's go.
Nice.
Nice picture. It's about time that we have some content again for our Instagram. Or what do you
Can I see the camera?
Yeah, you can. Right, I stopped the recording. So.
Look, we should take that with us.
Yeah, why not, Ram?
Yeah, we need some.
Now let's go and look. I can't really understand why they're fighting over that thing.
What do you see?
It's only to look into the distance, and I can do that with the camera. See? Yeah, now we're nearly zoomed in the hallway. Oh, Luca, did you see something nice?
I saw stones. Exotic stones.
Did you see a bear?
Never touched before.
A place where no man has gone before. But perhaps a woman.
Oh, it's mine. He's focusing.
Nice to meet. She was intelligent.
Can you hear anything?
No, they are turned off, unfortunately.
Ah.
But I can insert the sound. Moose and owl. And now they're making some kind of Instagram stuff. Luca, you're supposed to fake that you're interested.
Be like,
Jag är jätteintresserad.
oh my god.
Do that one more time, Rup.
Oh my god. And then you go like,
I didn't feel you do in the middle thing.
you know?
Ah, like this. Oh, the mountain queen.
Yes, you do like so dramatic, you know?
Yeah, but think about it.
Let me out.
The mountains will never remember that you were here.
You need to clean the window after.
Oh, it's raining a lot.
Yeah?
Oh, how much glass
Oh,
is
fuck vad det regnar.
Quite a lot. Have we finished with the museum tour?
I think so.
Good, then let's get out and wait for our guide.
All your YouTube videos?
Yes? Why not?
How do you see yourself?
I don't.
I don't know.
So we are now starting on a guided tour through the national park. We go to the Sweden's highest waterfall and the world's oldest tree. And yeah, then we're going to fika up there and then we go to our place where we're going to stay for the night. So let's go.
So we are going to enter this old growth forest here, and this is one of the main reasons this place became a national park. It's really important that we are protecting this. So I recommend when we're gonna go now, it's gonna be really hard, so don't do this. You're gonna try to look around you, look why here looks like this. This is really old trees around you. For example, this one, you can see when they start to age really a lot, start to get really old. Can you guess how old is this one?
200 years?
1000.
Not that much, but a little bit over 200, so we say about 300.
How's it going, Rim?
Are you tired?
But even if you don't survive, we know you will.
Yes.
So we have nearly reached our first destination. Over there, you can see the waterfall. We're going to get closer, but that's like the first close-up look. What do you think, Luca? Yeah. Do you want to swim? Show me under it. Do you want to show under the waterfall? Now the weather starts to become nice. It's raining. Yeah. But we're safe under the roof. And we're going to continue walking in a few minutes, I think. Yeah, what is it? Yeah, wait a second. This is safe. We're going up there now. It's quite steep. So there's not going to be any good out here. It is now the 1st of July and there is still snow over there. The winter igen! So, apparently we need to leave the train and just go over there. Section 6. Oh, beautiful! Then we have our record from Stockholm. And why is the camera not turning again? I think the Osmo is starting to get out. Perhaps I need to get a new one. We'll see. But right now it's still working. Oh. There's monster hunting me. Yeah, there's a small frog. Ratman, you need to tell me, where did you find this beautiful jacket?
It's a secret work.
Ah, it's
Just the gentleman and the richer man in the earth will find this stuff.
okay, so it's special designed only for you. It's one of a kind.
You see, it's special work. You don't feel cold and you don't feel warm. Special feeling.
Really nice jacket. We just got back on track after walking a few kilometers on this snow track, but now unfortunately we need to get back out of the track. Shit. How can you still be so positive? I only want to get into a cabin and dry my feet.
PMA.
And what does PMA mean? Oh, okay.
PMA. That's what we're living for.
I'm not sure if this is worth it. We're only walking to a 10,000-year-old tree. In the rain we are soaked. And we still have, I think, 5 or 6 kilometers left to our cabin for the night. We'll see. But if you see this video, this means we survived. There's somebody whistling there and telling us to come back because apparently we walked the wrong way and they have found the tree. So I think we finally have the tree, at least they are making a break over there. And I don't know why they would do it else. So it's rocky again, unfortunately the GoPro's turned off, but we will manage to get down without fall. Hopefully. And my lens is kind of dirty. I hope that doesn't have too big of an impact for the picture. And Luca, what do you think about this tree? I haven't seen it yet, but you have been here a little bit longer.
It is so special and beautiful.
Okay, then let's go and check it out.
Kids don't like what
And this tree is apparently 9,500 years old. But yeah, it's not the tree trunk itself, it's the root system that is that old and big under the roots. But now I talked enough about the tree, time for fika. Was it worth walking here through everything?
I mean, yeah, I got to talk a bit with the tree and
What did it tell you?
I mean, it told me about the great history about these rocks.
What it has
surrounding the
seen and
tree.
everything, or?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it has passed generations here of different rocks and stuff.
Ah,
So it's, yeah,
so
it's a lot of history.
do I understand you right? There rocks reproduce.
You are going to save my ass.
Rocks reproducing, yeah. Yeah, you can say so.
Ah, nice! So Ratman,
Yes.
what do you think about this tree?
I think this tree, like I heard, protect this mountain, at the same time is the future of all the rocks you see here.
Yeah.
All of us
also
who
heard
we
it to
student, because we will write the history
Ah,
of this mountain.
so yeah. it protects the mountains
Yeah.
from us.
Yeah, actually.
Ja, jag kan höra vattenfallen. Ja, tyvärr. Vi kom ju aldrig ner till den. We wanted to try to... We made the joke that we wanted to try and to swim upwards the waterfall. But we never got the opportunity to do that, so that's quite sad, if you ask me. Here we have our tour guide Viking. So, what can we see here?
Rocks
Okay.
and trees.
Oh, nice.
And in the distance you have more rocks.
Nice. Is there something more?
Well, except more rocks and trees, I wouldn't say that much.
Okay.
Maybe a few older trees.
Nice. I think we might have taken the wrong way because there are people coming from there, and there were people coming from there. I have no clue if we did it right. I actually don't know if the camera is waterproof. Just treat it as if it's waterproof, then it is waterproof. Let's try. And there we have the waterfall! We start to get closer to our destination. There it is. Perhaps I can zoom a bit in. Finally, it's a really good way again. I'm sick of climbing. The last couple 100 meters. Hur går det? There we are. Va?
Det går bra.
Bra. Kom. Sista biten. This is so nice. I just got into wet shoes but with dry socks and this feels so comfortable.
Inside the cabins, over the kitchen bench in both cabins, there are 2 USB ports for charging your phones.
Wow.
You will fight for them, of course, because there's only 2 in each cabin. You have lights everywhere. Lights off during nights because we have only solar and wind power. We are not connected to a big power plant. Gas stoves for cooking. Push the knob in, keep it in, turn, and put a match on.
Hi guys. Fire, perfect.
Hello guys.
Take the shoes off.
Yep.
When you start the fire now, let it burn.
We're finally at the cabins and the first plan was to sleep in the tent, but I'm tired and I don't think I will. I stay in the cabin. This is like the big room where everybody can gather. Here's our heating. Room 1, room 2, 3, and 4. I'm staying up there. And I was quite lucky. Nearly all my stuff is dry. I'm going to get some water and I think I have the perfect outfit.
Oh, yes. Yeah, I think you got the perfect outfit too, because now it was really raining.
Yes, with bathing trunks. Swimming trunks. I don't care what they're called.
Wait for me.
Yep.
Don't get wet before me.
Oh, I need to tie my shoes. Sorry that I'm pointing up to the sky, but I prefer to walk on wet wood with tight shoes. Sorry. Now it's my turn. Yeah. I have the water. There are the people staying in tents. Min sko är öppen igen. Let's get back inside. think it's time to make lunch, or I first need to get Viking because we have our food together. But I think I can start making bread. So Viking, I've just thought about mixing both of them, so that should be more than enough.
Yeah.
That is like 4 portions of rice.
Sausage.
Per. Food is finished. And how does my rice taste, Viking?
Rice.
What?
Rice.
It tastes yellow.
According to the package, it's Mexican rice.
How the fuck do you taste yellow? How do you taste colors?
And with my tongue.
So, magic tricks.
And what's next? You smell sounds?
No, I can feel them.
Well, the vibrations.
Everybody ate now except those two, and the plan now is to go and Basti, so sauna, and then Luca and I perhaps are going to go and make some pictures.
Yeah, exactly.
We haven't really decided what's happened after that. But until that, I cut for now and see you later. This is a final report for the first day. We spent the evening playing some poker, but not about money, only with chips. And now they can probably hear it if you're quiet. The girls and a few of the guys are still talking a bit, but they're also going to finish. And I will prepare with my sleeping bag, and I think I'm going to clock out for tonight. See you tomorrow at 6 a.m, 6:30, I don't know, we'll see. So, good morning. It's currently about 5:20 and I'm a bit early awake, so I don't want to film inside yet so that I don't wake up the others. But I just wanted to show you that we today have a really nice weather and that the walk back home will be a dream. I think you understand what I want to say. I get back inside, it's a bit windy. So I'm back inside. I've closed both doors so that I don't disturb anybody. And now I'm cooking hot water for tea or coffee. I think everybody will be happy with that. The water's nearly cooking, so I think I prepare my tea now and take a break with the food. The rest of the old tea, once later, the new water goes into it. And I think it's cooking.
that's really good. I think it's lemon tea, something like that. Cold. Nice, some fresh, cold mountain water. Still takes like so if I take it directly out of the water. Don't know why, but otherwise it's good. Luca, ready for the final kilometers?
Yep, no, ready.
Perfect. Jess, ready for the final kilometers?
Ready to let Ruby?
Nice.
Anders, put the kaffe there.
What is he doing there? We're doing a short pause to readjust backpacks and stuff like this. Then we're going to continue. Time for another break. Fell a bit behind, so it's good that we have a track now, so it is going to be easier to get some meters and to catch up. I know we're doing a lot of breaks now on the second day, but this is just so nice. We have like 1 hour left to the buses, but it's nice to just relax, have the backpack off the shoulders and just lay down. Ja, vi klarade det! So, as you saw, we are finally at the final destination. I'll take off these. Excuse my hair, I didn't really have a possibility to style it. I didn't have a mirror and so on. We are now going to eat some lunch. The teachers are going to get the buses and then we go home. I hope this was kind of entertaining and see you next time.